Hi. What are you doing this evening?
Hi. I'm planning to watch a movie.
Really? What kind of movies do you like?
I love romantic movies, but sometimes I watch comedies.
Nice. I prefer action movies. They're exciting.
Action movies are fun, but I don't like too much violence.
I understand. Have you seen any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a romantic movie last night. It was very emotional.
Sounds interesting. Do you usually watch movies at home or in the cinema?
Mostly at home, with popcorn. What about you?
I like the cinema. The big screen makes the movie better.
That's true. We might be able to watch a movie on a big screen, but I feel more comfortable at home. But tastes differ.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun English videos.